Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It's Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your account password in Proton Mail. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to change the password in Proton Mail, you first have to open the Proton Mail application. Now, after opening the application, simply click on the three bars in the top left corner. From there, you just simply have to go into Settings, and then More. Now, after coming to Settings, you will see your account settings. Click into Account Settings, and choose your account. Then you'll get to Password Management at the top of the Account tab. Now, after coming to the Password Management section, you have to enter your current password into the box at the top. After entering the current password, enter the new login password into the second box that you want to change, and then re-enter the password into the third box. Then, after setting up the new password, you just simply have to click on the Save button. But remember, your password must be longer than 8 characters. By following these very easy steps, you can easily change your Proton Mail password. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.